In this video, I'll guide you through how to switch between profiles on Amazon. Whether you share your Amazon account with family members or simply manage different profiles for various purposes, knowing how to switch profiles easily can be incredibly handy. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Amazon homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a section in the top right corner labeled Account and Lists. This is your gateway to a variety of account settings, including your profiles. Hover your mouse over this Account and Lists area, but don't click just yet. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear showing you several options related to your account. At this point, you should see your current profile name right at the top of this menu. This is an important detail because it confirms which profile you're currently using. To switch to a different profile, you have a couple of options. Look for a link labeled Switch Profiles. If you see it, go ahead and give it a click. Alternatively, you can simply click on the name or icon of the profile you want to switch to. This intuitive design makes it easy to manage multiple profiles seamlessly. Now, if you have enabled a PN for your profiles, Amazon will prompt you to enter a 4-digit code. This extra layer of security ensures that only authorized users can access specific profiles. If you're prompted, go ahead and enter your PIN. Make sure your PIN is something memorable yet secure to keep your profiles protected. Once you've completed these steps, you should find yourself switched over to the desired profile. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in managing your Amazon account efficiently. If you ever get confused, just remember to return to the Account and List drop down and it will guide you on the right path. There you have it. Switching profiles on Amazon is as easy as pie once you know where to look. This feature is especially useful for households sharing a single Amazon account or for those who want to keep personal and business purchases separate. Understanding how to navigate these options can truly enhance your Amazon shopping experience. I hope this quick guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your online experience smoother. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Amazon.